Today, we're going to be talking about how to properly care for your car in the winter months. I'll be touching on rust prevention, paint care, and drivetrain maintenance. Without further ado, here are some essential tips to get your vehicle through the winter. Getting right into the meat of it, tip number one is a form of lanolin-based film. This is basically an undercoating, and some good examples of this are fluid film or surface shield. These products are essentially a spray-on grease that you apply to the frame of a vehicle. They catch any rock chips or salt that would damage the metal and cause rust. You can spray it on any frame, regardless of condition. They last about 2 years, and they aren't permanent at all, so you don't have to worry about screwing anything up. They're super easy to use. I personally fluid film my car every season, and it takes me about an hour, and it stopped rust in its tracks. On screen right now is a video of my Jeep. I fluid filmed it about 6 months ago, and as you can see, the film is still tacked onto the frame beautifully. It's catching all the road debris and stopping it in its tracks. I absolutely love this stuff. Can't recommend it enough. Tip number two for preventing rust damage is covering paint chips. You see, as you're driving your car, cars in front of you will kick up little rocks and that can hit your paint and chip it, just like this. But if you don't take care of these paint chips, quickly it will begin to rust and bubble your paint, similar to this. To prevent any damage, I recommend picking up a small portable paint pen that you can use to quickly cover up any paint chips you have. I bought this cheap Duplicolor one. I've used it before, and the results are not only protective, but pretty good looking. My third tip is not related to rust, but actually related to your paint, which protects your car from rusting. You see, throughout the winter, there are many more abrasives on the road being kicked around. It's important to keep your car clean and waxed before you go out into the winter to prevent these abrasives from damaging your paint. So to conclude tip number three, I recommend waxing once every 3 months and washing your car whenever you see a buildup of salt. My fourth and final tip is the most simple of them all. Warm up your car. Before you drive every morning, start your car and wait for the temperature gauge to reach operating temperature. This is usually 3 to 5 minutes. For my Jeep, it's right at the halfway mark, and once I'm there, I know I can drive. This is so important because your engine oil doesn't lubricate as well when it's cold, and you can actually damage your engine if you put it under stress during this warm-up period. Well, that wraps up my video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. If you like what you see on screen now, make sure to turn on notifications because what's on screen is a sneak peek of an upcoming video I'm working on. Thank you all. Have a good one.